This is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first step is to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, you can install it either directly from the search results or, well, by going at the app page. Once the app is ready to be launched, you can go ahead and open it. And while launching Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So tap at the continue button, then decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browsing app. And at this final page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for, and well, start using it. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.